People don't realise just how much environmental research has changed in the last 50 years. True real-time environmental data has only existed since the end of the 20th century, and now it's hard to imagine the world without it. Technology has changed everything, and it's therefore no surprise that new techniques are being rapidly incorporated into curriculums around the world. At the Florida Agricultural and Mechanical University, a NexSens buoy is helping to teach the next generation the latest techniques and standards for research. Hi, I'm Stephanie Andrews,
climate scientist,
ocean adventurer, and systems specialist at NexSens. In 2021, the School of the Environment at Florida Agricultural and Mechanical University deployed a NexSens CB450 buoy, nicknamed the Rattlermoji, in an oyster farming region of Apalachee Bay. The buoy provides real-time data on temperature, salinity, conductivity, turbidity, chlorophyll, and more via the NexSens data logger. The Florida A&M University team was particularly interested in getting data on nutrient levels, like nitrates and phosphates. I spoke to Dr. Benjamin Mwashote, Director of Research and Core Research Lab Manager at Florida A&M University's School of the Environment, to find out what difference the buoy has made to teaching.
We used to have manual data collection device, a YSI probe, and this is a multi-parameter water quality probe which has only capability for spot sampling, but the buoy has given us real-time data which has really changed our view of the bay. We can now get real-time data anywhere at any time on my phone, or we can beam it at the lab monitor where students get access to use the data for their research projects. The buoy has really become an important part of the curriculum, and several faculty members use it to teach research methodologies to the students.
Data from the buoy is used to supplement teaching of traditional environmental monitoring methods that require in situ manual measurement, giving the students a rounded view of research methods past, present, and future. Even though there's only one buoy, for now, freshmen and graduates alike have been able to apply the data it collects across a range of research questions and subjects. I asked student Brittany Lindsay how she uses data from the NexSens buoy for her PhD research.
I study the effects of increasing sea surface temperatures on bacterial predator-prey dynamics in marine environments. Microorganisms play an important role in the microbial loop and nutrient cycling in the ocean. For my research, I collect seawater samples from different coastal sites along the Apalachee Bay, including the Rattlermoji site. I also use data from the remote sensors to monitor the temperature changes. Understanding how these microorganisms respond to environmental stressors is key to predicting their adaptability and their role in changing ocean conditions.
The availability of high-quality, real-time data from the NexSens buoy is also providing important insights for Florida A&M University's researchers. I asked Professor Victor Ibeanusi, Dean of the School of the Environment, about some of the exciting new ventures that rely on data from the buoy.
We have two active grant-funded projects at the moment. Both rely on data from the NexSens buoy. For example, we recently secured a $4.8 million grant from the Department of Energy looking at what we call the big data, on how we harness and utilize these large data sets for decision making. This grant supports the Nexus Innovate Mobile Geospatial AI Laboratory, a transdisciplinary initiative on wheels designed to expand the academic offerings, foster student engagement, accelerate research breakthroughs in environmental engineering, bioinformatics, geospatial science, and remote sensing. The mobile laboratory relies on real-time data from the buoy, which is being used to support and develop the geospatial artificial intelligence enhanced curriculum, a new curriculum on geospatial AI.
The Rattlermoji is also giving local oyster farmers water quality data that helps them understand the changing environment they're working in and eliminates costly and time-consuming trips into the field to manually collect data. The team at Florida A&M University is showing what's possible with technology and better data. Their buoy is helping to educate and inspire the next generation, contribute to cutting-edge research, and support local businesses. Whatever's next, the future looks exciting. Visit nexsens.com for more information. NexSens, better data. It's never been easier.